Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Today is 14th February and love is in the air. Yes, I can smell red roses, coffee, chocolates, music. Wow, it's so romantic today. And I really feel like going to the most romantic city of the world, that is Paris, and enjoy romance. But anyways, I have to come back and I have the daily predictions for you. Today, everyone will want to do something different, something new. Both who are single as well as committed, they will have different mixed feelings. I'll be talking about all the 12 zodiac signs now and also what special gifts you should give them today. Starting with Aries, please be very careful today. You might feel like losing something or someone today. You are very romantic at heart as usual, and if your partner is an Aries, then don't fight with them. Give them something really romantic like red roses, or you can also gift them chocolates. If you are single, you will be really happy. You won't be affected much. You'll have your own time. And if you are in a relationship, you can gift beautiful, lovely red flowers to your lover. Coming to Taurus, it is a very good day for you. You will get some happiness in some direction. And after 22nd March, you will find a partner. Wow. So you will feel very happy. And now is the time to do some fielding. Now is the time to start the process of romance, because after 22nd March, you will find your romantic date. Ta-da! You can go for a lovely romantic date today. And Taurus, if you are single, you won't be much affected. You will spend time with your family and your friends. Whoever are in relationships, you will have pre-planned something already and gift wrapped and packed it nicely. Wow. If your partner is Taurus, then you can gift them something really soft like teddy bear, or really soft dresses. You can also give them whose material is really good. You can also give them chocolates. Romantic dinner will be really enjoyed by Taurus. You can take them to the best restaurants with very amazing food and drinks. Next is Gemini. Today you have some expenditure. You will spend money today. You will get some losses as well. In matters of romance, you want something really different in your relationship, but you should be very true to your personal commitments as well. My dear Gemini, you might connect with your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend, but you have to be very careful in these matters, because you don't want something really bad thing to come back again. If your partner is a Gemini, then you can gift them electronic gadgets or mobile phones. They really love tinkering with those gadgets. Whoever are single, you will go out with your boy or your girl gang and make fun of all those couples who cozy up in restaurants, and you will have those personal jokes which you are acquainted with your girl or boy gang. If you are in relationship, you will also enjoy a lot. You can go for a lovely romantic walk with your partner. Coming to Cancer, you will get some news today and gifts as well. You're very emotional all the time. You will search for a very good partner today. If you are in relationship, you can go to the beach, any water body or water park, or anything related to water. You can also watch the sky at the night, the moon and the stars, like in the movie A Walk to Remember. You will feel very romantic. Whoever are single won't be much affected. They will even forget today's Valentine's Day. They'll later remember, okay, today's Valentine's Day, because I saw the status of my friends in WhatsApp and Facebook, and then they will send sweet messages to their friends. Cancerians are very busy in their work, always busy in earning money. Those who are relationship, they'll have a low profile Valentine's Day with their special someone. They'll expect something from their partner. So if you have a Cancer boyfriend, girlfriend, husband or wife, keep something ready for them. If your partner is Cancer, you can gift them glass items, food, or anything, or very beautiful dresses you can give them and pack it very nicely. Leo, you will be very busy today. You will make some planning for new work today. And all the time, since you feel yourself like a kingly lion, like a royal person, you like to be in a relationship which is very royal and classy. Today, there is a chance your ex-lover might connect with you. Please don't break someone else's relationship. And remember, there was a reason why you left your ex-partner. People who are single, remember why you had a fight with your ex-lover. So please be very careful. Those who are in relationship will really party hard today and enjoy as well. they will also receive and give awesome gifts. You can dance today, or you can go to a disco or something. You can go for a candlelight dinner or a normal dinner. If your partner is Leo, then you can gift them something in golden color or a rose. Next is Virgo. Today you will spend good time with your family. You won't bother. First of all, you won't bother that today is Valentine's Day, because Virgos are really very practical. You'll be focused in your career and family. But my dear Virgo, please, you need to give some time to your Valentine today. So try to talk softly with your partner. Spend some nice romantic time with them. Being very practical, you will, your gesture of love is you'll do some work for them. If your partner is Virgo, then sweet talk to them. Give them some household items or help them in their responsibilities. You can also give them, something practical like an office tiffin box or cutlery or something which they'll use in their daily life. Virgo, they don't have much demands. They like those small things. So they love honesty. So try to express your love this Valentine's Day with really, really honest gestures. Coming to Libra, you might be very disturbed today. Librans are very choosy in selecting their partners or lovers or friends. So if your partner is Libra, give them some really sweet messages. You can send them in WhatsApp or however you can send them messages. You might feel your partner is. Now, Librans might feel that their partner is very far or detached from them. So if you feel so, you can pray to Lord Krishna and offer roses to him. If your partner is Libra, you can gift her dress, music or very lovely jewelry, or you can give them chocolate like Kit Kat or Cadbury Dairy Milk or some chocolate you can gift to them. If you are single, don't compromise with anyone. If you will find someone good enough for you. Just like Preeti Zinta got at the age of 41, so you just have to wait for the right person. So single people, single Librans can listen to music, and if you are in a relationship, you will give some surprise to your partner. Now next is Scorpio. My dear, beautiful, talented Scorpions, today is a very good day for you. You usually believe in serious commitments. You do no time pass. Today there is a chance someone might propose you for marriage. You will get a very good relationship soon. If you are single, you won't care as much because you are always a badass. You will just enjoy time with yourself. You just give a damn to the world. And if today you are single and you're getting bored, you can watch a mystery movie, a thriller, or you can read about some dark supernatural stuff. If you are in relationship, you can go for candlelight dinner. You can go near the sea, or you can go near watery places. If your partner is a Scorpion, you can gift them dark chocolates. Now next is Sagittarius. You might get injured. Please be very careful, my dear Sagittarius. You will remain very busy today. You will get some financial tension. Don't worry, it will be over soon. Usually you judge a lot before you enter into full-time relationship or commitment. Sagittarius are very flirty, but when they are committed, they are really, really committed. So wait for the right boy, the girl to come into your life. You can take long drive today. You can go for it. If you are single, you stay alert. You will find someone really good very soon. If your partner is a Sagittarius, you can gift them a travel bag, caps, travel related item, or they also love eating a lot. You can gift them something really tasty to eat. Now next is Capricorn. Today is a very good day for you. You will be very busy in your work. Usually you are always busy. So try to take a half day or a leave for your Valentine's Day, or you can go to a restaurant with your partner after your work is over. So Capricorns usually love non-veg and all the tasty food or the fast food. So you can gift them all these things. Those who are single, the Capricorns who are single, they won't care. And those who are committed, please give some time to a partner. Next is Aquarius. You will remain very busy today, a lot of work today. But for Aquarius, life is like a romantic novel, and every day is a new page turned while reading the book. So they get into a relationship with someone who touches their heart and their soul. Aquarius, if you are single, you might meet someone. So plan something today. And those who are in relationship, they celebrate every day as Valentine's Day. Still, you can go for a music concert or a movie or something special like that. If your partner is an Aquarius, you can gift a book or a watch to them. Next is Pisces. You are romantic. like you are a dreamer too. You have a lot of female friends all the time, so you will get a lot of awesome messages today. And if you're single, your ex-lover might come back, so please be careful. Those who are in relationship, you will feel very good today. You might get some awesome gifts as well. Pisces like getting gifts as well as giving gifts. So you can gift a Pisces something like shoes or foot massage, or maybe if it's a female friend, you can give them anklets, you know, the jewelry we wear around our ankles. You can give them watch or a gold pen as well. Pisces like it if you send them beautiful messages. You can send very nice quotes to them. So this was the astrological prediction, but the astrological tip of the day is, if you really want to make your day beautiful, then I'll tell you Radha Krishna are the best lovers. So go to a Radha Krishna temple and chant the mantra Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna 3 times. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day today. Bye bye.